In this video, I will show you how to get lower ping in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So with Roblox, if you do have a high ping, this can affect your gameplay experience and it can cause things like lag, slower gameplay and disconnection issues. By helping to lower your ping, you're going to have a much better gameplay experience. There's a couple of things I'm going to advise, some of the best fixes to fix if you do have a high ping for Roblox. The first thing I would recommend is directly plugging into your router. So if you are experiencing a high ping, try directly connecting into your router with a LAN cable, so directly connect your computer or laptop into your Wi-Fi router box and see if that helps lower your ping. Next, what you can do is if you are using a VPN, you can turn this off and see if that improves your ping. To check this, if you come to your desktop, and what you want to do is come down to your taskbar on the bottom, click into the search box and type settings, and then open up settings, which should come up underneath best match. Now, once you've got your settings window opened, come up to the search box at the top. In here, go ahead and type VPN. Once you've done that, you should see a suggested option called VPN settings. So what you want to do is give that a click. And if you are using a VPN, you're going to see it show up here. So you just want to go ahead and turn that off and see if that resolves your problem and gives you a lower ping in Roblox. After doing this, another thing I would advise doing is making sure your network drivers are up to date. To check this, what you want to do is if you come to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box, and in here you want to go ahead and type Device Manager. Underneath Best Match, Device Manager should come up, give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now from here, you want to find network adapters, so you can see that's here, and then click the small arrow next to network adapters. In here, what you need to do is go through each of these, click onto one of them, right click, and then click the option to update driver. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this where you can click to search automatically for drivers, and it's going to tell you if you do have the most up-to-date drivers. You can also further search by clicking here where it says search for updated drivers on Windows Update to see if there's any Windows updates available for your network drivers. So you just want to repeat this for all your drivers and see if that lowers your ping in Roblox. Once you've checked and made sure that your network drivers are up to date, what you can do is close down your device manager. And the next thing you're going to want to do is if you come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click onto an empty space in your taskbar and click to open up your task manager. And from here, if you come up to the top, you can see we've got a option called network. So if you actually give this a click, this is going to show all the apps which are currently using up your network. And from here, you can close some of these down which you're not using. Of course, don't close down anything that is essential, but if you've got anything using up some of your network, then you can go ahead and use this to simply click onto anything you want to close down. For example, this one here. Then what you would do is right click and click onto end task, or come up to the top and click end task up here, and that's going to free up some of your network space and give you a better gameplay experience for Roblox. Now, if after trying this you're still having really bad problems with ping, what I would recommend doing is contacting your internet service provider to see if there's a problem their end. Maybe they're doing some maintenance work on the network, there's some server downtime, something like that. They might even be able to give you some further advice on how to help your internet connection. And one final thing I would recommend is turning your router, Wi-Fi router, off and on. By doing this, it's going to reset your router and clear the cache in the router, and effectively this can help with any ping problems as well. So that's some things you can try to get a lower ping in Roblox. With that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.